In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this OPPO. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access Apps section. Then tap on App Cloner over here and tap on one of your available apps that you wish to clone. I will go with Facebook. Finally, click on this sweater next to Create App Clone. And wait! You can also tap on Rename App Clone and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Facebook too. To save your name, click on Save in the pop-up. Then tap on When using Quick Functions. Pick one of those options, in my case Open Main App, and tap on Home button. As you can see, after that, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete it, go into exactly the same settings and tap on this sweater next to Create App Clone again. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!